gloss stitches. Do gloss stitches.
I have a lot of patterns going on today. What's up, guys? Unfortunately, this is how I have to record today's vlog. Sorry again if you hear video game noise in the back. That's just kind of the routine that we have going on here. Today we're going to be making some vegan chocolate chip cookies. This is gonna be a very short vlog. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Kind of a filler, if you will. You could probably find this recipe like anywhere online. It's a pretty basic recipe. Okay, so this is the concoction. This is our dough, but it's still very wet, as y'all can see. So we're gonna put this in the fridge for like 45 minutes, maybe even 30. I'm gonna do 30 minutes. I'm not gonna do an hour. I could do like 30, and then I'm gonna come back and we're going to put these on a tray.
Later that night.
So you might wanna let them cool off, or else it's gonna do this. I'll go and break off like mine is doing. Oh God, what? Let me know if y'all made this.
Support reach.